Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I have some news. Let's go. So as you know, Huawei has been banned from using Google Android. So Huawei has came up with their own OS name as Hongshang OS, and it will be launching in October 2019. And the first one to use that OS Hongshang will be Mate 30. But in the recent update, Huawei has said that the Hongshang will not be implemented on the Mate 30, but it will be implemented on the newer phone. So this is very good news. They are also claiming that it will be faster than the Android, and I don't believe that till now. But we will see that in the future. So let's go to the next one. As you know, Huawei has predicted that they will cross Samsung by the end of this year, but by the ban of the Google Android, saying this is not right because they have banned, and if their OS didn't work nicely, so they will be at the third position where Apple will get to the second one. As now the positions are like this: Samsung at the number one, Huawei at the second, Apple third, Xiaomi, Vivo, Oppo another, and at the end. So this will be a good situation to watch. Let's go to the next one. As you know that Samsung Galaxy S10 was launched before 2 months, but they are launching a new color in China. Only in China, the blue color, as you can see in the image. It looks awesome and it is my favorite color. Let's go to the next one. You know, Samsung Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus had a hole punched at the front of the display. So that seemed to be the future for now after the notch devices. So small company like Vivo are going to make their phone, which is coming soon, Z1 Pro. It is a phone, as you can see in the image, the bottom bezel is very small and the hole punch is also very small. I'm looking forward to this phone, and I think that this phone will be a huge success. Let's go to the next one. You know, Google Pixel is launching their new phone, Google Pixel 4. So the earlier leaks of their phone, the back of this phone looks bad, like an iPhone, new iPhone, like you can see in the image. The leaks of iPhone and this phone is exactly same. The hole is a huge at the end. So Google is officially announced by Google, so I'm looking forward to that, but I don't like the back of this phone, and I don't know they will launch it with single camera, dual or triple. No one knows. Let's go to the next. In this year new iPhone, there will be a big battery change. Because we don't have any huge battery till now in the iPhone lineup, but this time they are really focusing on bringing a better battery, so that's a good option. They are saying that they will be increasing the battery by 5%, so I was a little surprised by listening that. So it is a good news for the iPhone lovers and etc. So every like Samsung, everyone has a bigger battery. So let's move to the next one. Sony is launching their Beast. After the downfall of the Sony smartphone market, they'll finally come up with an idea to bring their viewers close to them. I am pretty excited of this from this phone, because this phone will have, the future phone will have 5 to 6 camera. I don't know, it will be 5 or a 6, as you can see in the image. This is a leak, so this will be excellent for Sony fans and other. So this device now as an image, as a leak, this is photoshopped, but it look awesome. If you have a 6 lens camera, more people will see that and come to Sony. So after the downfall, maybe this phone can prove them better, that they are a better smartphone company. So let's move to the next one. After talking about the Sony beast, we have a new beast coming this year called Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Pro. They are launching 2 models. It's quite exciting for me. So as you can see in the image, the whole punch will be in the center this time, not in the top right corner. And according to this leaks, I love this one. I'm liking this one, but there is a bad news. There will be no headphone jack in this device, and it will be having a giant screen. And S10 5G is coming on 2017. If you want to buy it, buy it. You had heard about the foldable phones, which cost you around $2,000, but this one Samsung was going to launch, but before launching this and test version of this phone to the high-end YouTuber, they were facing a huge screen problem. Screen was flickering and display were not working, so Samsung recalled that, and we don't know when the Samsung will launch this phone. I'm excited for this phone and I am waiting to buy this phone. So let's go to the next one. But the biggest news is that AMD and Samsung announced partnership, and the Radeon coming to the smartphone of Samsung, which will give them a huge boost in the gaming department, because iPhone is considered to be the best smartphone for gaming, but not the special gaming phones, Razer, except that in the high-end companies like Samsung and Apple or Huawei, Apple is at the number 1 in gaming. But this time it will be the game. As you can see the graph, Samsung lags behind in the FPS also, 43 FPS etc. iPhone gone to 60 FPS. So I will hope this partnership will make them better again. So thanks for watching and see you soon.